Hello guys, and welcome back to ToeShifterz once again. Today we're going to do something special, and it probably would be a first thing or a first feature on my channel or something like that. So I'm actually going to an event organized by Royal Enfield with regards to the Royal Enfield 650 twins. Yes, the 650 twins. The 650 twins. Yeah, so I just got a call from Royal Enfield yesterday saying they're organizing an event wherein they are offering a test ride, and it's going to be a 20-kilometer long test ride for about 20-30 minutes, and we get to experience the bike. Vikram has joined me some time back. There you can see him going ahead of me. We're another 6 kilometers short of the place we're supposed to reach. Should be reaching there soon, man. Can't wait to get my hands on the Interceptor. Woo! And there you see the flags, Continental and the Interceptor GT 650. Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield. Straight. So finally we've reached this place, Embassy Boulevard, where we're going to ride the 650 twins. That's the entrance. That's where you have to get yourself registered, and they'll allow the bike to you. And if you guys need a glimpse of the bikes, here they are. So that is one. That's the Interceptor 650, and this one is the GT 650. I'll just take a few close-up shots and show it to you guys. So we have to wait for a while because they don't have the GT, and that's gone for the ride. So we have to wait for some time, about 20-25 minutes for the bike to come. So I'm going to be riding the Interceptor, and Vikram's going to be riding the GT. Let's just check out with Vikram what he's up to. Vikram, yes. What's up? What's happening? How do you feel?
Really excited.
So he's going to be riding this, the Continental GT, and I'm going to be riding this, the Interceptor 650. So yeah, just waiting for the bikes to arrive, and really want to ride. Yeah, we're going to ride both of them, so we'll swap it out today. Let's see how this goes, and you guys will see the footage once we get on the bike. I'll see you guys on the bike.
U-turn, we'll take U-turn and we'll come back. And on highway, let us stick to 80-90 speed because there is a speed limit. We need to respect traffic rules and all. Let us stick to 80-90.
So that was the briefing given to us, and we have no choice riding anywhere beyond 80-90 kilometers because there are speed interceptors on the way as well. Yeah, let's see if we can get some place where we can squeeze in a little bit. Let's see. So we're going to get up now and going to our bikes. Let's hit it, man.
Also, there is no cut short in distance. What is the thing you will not be going to toll gate? Before toll gate only we
Okay, let's do this. The front end feels so damn light. Okay. Wonder if you guys are able to hear this thing, man. Shit! Whoa! Damn, this feels good, man. It really doesn't feel like an RE, but still an RE. I mean, wonder what they've done underneath. Whatever they've done it. They've done a really beautiful job, I would say. You can actually lean this thing like crazy, man. Okay, I'm in 6th gear now, doing about 60, no vibes, 40. Oh ho ho! Look at the torque! Riding this motor on the GT would definitely be a lot of fun. Oh man, what the hell have you done, Ari? You've been doing great. You barely feel anything even when the bike touches about 7,000 RPM, let alone, you know, riding at regular speeds. And the gear changes are butter smooth, man. It's just like that. I just wish the motor was a little more louder. I'm pretty sure you can do it with some aftermarket exhaust and things like that. For now it sounds really smooth. And it has that slight hint that it's a Royal Enfield. Haha. It's not a Royal Enfield, man. It's definitely not a Royal Enfield. So people who actually love Royal Enfield, actually appreciate Royal Enfield as a part of their vibrations and as a part of the thumb, I definitely don't think this is for you. But yeah, for all the people who have always been wanting to buy a Royal Enfield, always been wanting to own a Royal Enfield, but were shying away because of the reliability issues, because of the thumb, because of the noise it makes, because of the engine, because of the vibrations. I'm definitely sure that you guys are gonna love it, man. If you guys are planning for a KTM Duke or a Dominar, and if you can stretch that budget a little bit, I think you're definitely going to love this bike. Oh man. Oh, the GT feels quite heavy off the ground somehow. And yeah, on this your knees actually start touching to the head, so that's why they have those head guards, so that your knees don't get toasted. Yeah, riding the Interceptor and the GT back to back, it feels like this is the more sportier one of the lot. But I feel since I am a kind of a person who actually enjoys touring and a straight posture sort of a thing, I think the Interceptor is the bike for me. I'm so used to downshifting on the KTM. Whenever you approach us, whenever you slow down, it's too good, man. The slipper clutch is amazing, man. See, I'm not using my left hand at all, so I'm doing a clutchless shifting, and the gears are really responsive, man. I really feel the front back had a little bit more feel like the KTM Duke, but nevertheless it stops really fast. The seat on the GT is a lot more comfortable. It's a little more wider than the Interceptor, so your bum is safe, but not your wrist and your back, nor is your neck. Yeah, we had an amazing experience riding the GT twins. I mean the 650 twins, not the GT twins, and it was a one of a kind experience, man. Really thankful to Ari for organizing such an event where people can experience their bikes. If you guys get a chance, you definitely deserve a test ride. I mean, to experience it. It's something that none of the videos or reviews will justify. You need to ride it to know the bike, and once you ride it, I'm pretty sure you're gonna lose yourself to it. Like at this point, what the bike feels, the 650 feels the same at about 120, and there's absolutely no vibrations whatsoever. And for the price tag at about 3 lakhs, it's definitely a value for money bike. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do like, share and subscribe if you guys like the content. I know I'm very slow in terms of uploading, but I have a lot more responsibilities than just YouTube, so I can't help it, dude. So yeah, I will see you guys very soon in another video. Let me know if you guys like this video or not, or if you have any questions regarding the bike. I'll definitely try to answer with my experience riding it for about 15-20 odd kilometers. This is ToeShifterz saying ciao. See you, bye bye. Take care. Ride safe, ride hard. Always wear your safety gear, and don't ever forget wearing your helmet. Save your head, dude. See you guys.